Hey everyone, David Butler here, Master Plumber for Milestone Home Services. Today I want to talk to you about how do you shut your water off at the city water meter in case of a plumbing emergency. Let's go over here and see where they're at. So this is what your water meter is going to look like. Oftentimes there'll be a green box beside it. That's your lawn sprinkler system. That may need to be turned off too, but we'll just talk about this because it'll shut off everything. Now, this is the city's meter box. They generally don't like us turning it off here, but in the event of an emergency, if you don't have any place else to do it, this is the best place to turn it off. You're going to need a meter key to do that though. You can buy these at Home Depot. There's several different variations. This is a really good one. It's a little short. There's also a longer one like this. This one doesn't have a key though to take it off. This one does. So, first thing we need to do is open the lid. Take the lid off, set it to the side. Now, inside the meter, you're gonna see, and this may be covered with dirt. This is a really good one, it's not covered up, but if it's covered with dirt, you'll have to dig it out. There'll be a shutoff valve right over here. They call that the curb valve. What we wanna do is put this right on top of it. Something else you'll notice is there's an arrow pointing towards the meter or the house. That means it's on. You're wanting to turn it 180 degrees all the way around and make these two holes line up. If those two holes are lined up, it will shut the water completely off. It may just turn 90 degrees, but either way, as long as you've got those holes lined up, you've got your water shut off. And that's how you shut your water off at the city water meter in case of an emergency.